Hey guys, this is Akshay. So, what is the weather at your side? My side, weather is very cool, very cloudy, and heavy rains. Okay, so comment in this video how weather at your side. So, without wasting time, let's start for our today's video. So, in this video, I am going to tell you 4 things which you can't get back. So be careful whatever you are doing. Okay, so first thing is the stone after it is thrown, be it you are throwing on some humans or some animals, means not only humans or animals, it is just an example. Check it once. Throw one stone in air and see it will come or not. Definitely it won't come. So second one is the time after it is passed. So time is very valuable thing in our life. Okay, so use your time wisely, because see, time is passing second by second. Now also time is passing. So use time carefully, means use time with what? Good actions. Take actions in time. Okay. And the third one is what? The chance after it is missed. There are a lot of problems. There are a lot of chances comes in our life, but we need to see it properly. There are usually chances comes in life, but we are in the flow, means we can see that, but we don't take actions. So use your chance. Don't think much about what it is means I will get success or not. Don't think much about that. Just try that chance, means what? Use that chance. Don't miss that chance. After using that, what? You will get success or you will get failure. But don't miss that chance. After failing that situation, you can improve your your weakness. Okay, so use every chance. And the fourth one is the word after it is said. See, whenever we are talking to someone, just think once what we are talking. Okay, so when we talk to someone or anywhere, when we talk, that time there are two possibilities are coming to picture. First one is good and second one is bad. See, your words matters in every situation. Your word can decide upcoming days will be good or will be bad. See, whatever you are talking, this is good for your what? Good for your future or bad for your future. So it totally depends on your words, whatever you are talking to others. So these are the 4 things. First one is the words, So yeah, there is one statement is there, what? धनुष से निकला हुआ तीर और मुंह से निकली हुई बात कभी वापस नहीं आती. So think once whatever you want to talk. Okay, after talking there is no only regression will remain. So think once properly. So these are the 4 things which can't get back in our life. First one is stone after it is thrown. Second one is the words after it is after it is talked. The third one is the chance after it is missed, and the fourth one is the time after it is passed. So be carefully, do it carefully whatever you are doing. Okay, so yeah, hope you like this video, hope you understand that my points, and we'll meet in another video.